Let's take a few moments. We're going to enter the silence inside our own hearts, our own spirits. If you feel any tension in your body, speak to it and say, hey, you're released. I release that tension. Take a breath in. That natural energy all around you that's swirling around you, coming into your body. Stale energy leaving. When I hear that word strength, one of the first images I get is the pictures that I saw from the Great Depression. I saw images of farmers and housewives, homemakers, families coming together, facing challenges, resolute, resolved that they were going to succeed and overcome, looking at the world around them, wondering what happened with the wind and the soil and the crops failure, and having that strength and that perseverance inside them that says, I will keep going, I will continue, I will overcome. That to me is this image of strength. And that's that strength in that external world, right? That looks and says, I'm going to keep going. Well, we are assured that we have that strength in us, a deeper wellspring that goes beyond physical, beyond the external world. It is that deep, deep, deep wellspring of strength that comes from the eternal mind, the cosmic forces. That is our source of strength, our source of true strength. We know that we will face challenges in this year. We know that. We know that we will face challenges in the body. We will face challenges in the economy. We will face challenges always. And yet our strength is more than sufficient to meet that need. In this moment, tap into that strength inside you. Imagine a deep root through your body going into the earth like a tree root, and imagine branches and leaves reaching up into the sky. And let that strength flow through you from below and above. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, we know that our spiritual strength is sufficient. We are invincible. We are eternal. And so it is.